Hello everyone, it's Sonic the Hedgehog franchise collector here. Today, I'll be trying the Sonic the Hedgehog ice cream bar with Gumball eyes. Yes, it's a popsicle. So, here's Sonic in the back. Then, I'll be right back. This one, I'll open up and I'm gonna pause it. Okay, we got this out. And there we go. There is the Sonic the Hedgehog Popsicle with Gumball eye. It's a real one, not a 3D printed. Angry Sonic made this a 3D printed, but let's try it. It tastes good. It tastes like blueberry. Let me see. Yeah, that's blueberry and cherry flavor. Yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Goodbye.